Come test drive the 2018 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.